I went ahead and chopped a bunch of cherry tomatoes. So I had a bunch of cherry tomatoes, so I chopped those for my bruschetta. So I'm gonna go ahead and start adding in the additional ingredients. Adding some olive oil, maybe about 1 tablespoon. Now I'm adding in about a tablespoon of minced garlic. All right, I put in a couple twists of pepper and salt. So just a couple twists of those. Again, this is all kind of to your taste. So mix it all in, taste it, add a little more. Just finished off my basil leaves. So again, just a couple sprinkles. And then I'm gonna also add some oregano. I got some fresh thyme. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put about 1 sprig in as well. And feel free to prepare this ahead of time, but I'm gonna go ahead and just stir this all up. Again, you can prepare this before your guests arrive or before you're ready to eat this, so you can let those flavors kind of marinate and mix together. So I'm making this just about 30 minutes before we eat dinner. Again, giving those flavors a chance to kind of mold together. Taste and re-season as needed.